Hey traders, a quick update here on Indian market. We have Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So I'm going to start with Nifty 50. So what do we have? Since my last video, I've said that we can either get an entry condition right here if you have a break above, or I'm expecting a pullback above 50 EMA, and that has happened. Now this candle looks like it's closed. I'm not sure about the Indian timings, but that looks like it is closed now, and that closed as a bullish engulfing candle. So that's a good bullish signal. Now if you look at the trend, a nice uptrend. Every time you see a formation of bullish engulfer, we always have a pullback, push up, and then a pullback. Bullish engulfer, we have a push up, no entry condition, but we had bullish engulfer, a push up, no entry condition. Now we had a push up, and since then we had a nice pullback as also a bullish engulfer, but that doesn't respect 20 EMA. But now I'm expecting a good push up from here, as now we had a good pullback above 50 EMA. So keep an eye here. I'm now expecting some push up from here. Now the next bullish trade I'll look once the price will completely break above this high. I will look for the exact same pattern, a pullback and push up. I keep on taking longs as long as this trend is intact. So keep an eye here and enter your trades accordingly. Right here, Bank Nifty, we had a support area since last week. Price is now falling down since last week. This was a zone resistance area. Now the zone below is 42477, goes up to 43011. This is the zone from where I'm expecting a good bounce in a continuation towards the upside. So have these zones on the charts. If the price pushes down, forms bullish engulfers, double bottoms, pin bars, this is a zone from where I'll be paying attention to enter buy trades. Well, I don't trade this index, but this is how I would trade myself. Now I will only look for sell conditions once the price break and close below this low. If we have a pullback without hitting this area with a bearish engulfer, keep on taking shots until the price hit this zone. So that's it for this talk. Hope you're getting value. Hit a like button, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Make sure you share this video. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.